Hey everyone, this is Dave with Mile High Drone Services, and what we're going to talk about today is how to edit the subtitle files that a Mavic 3 generates. And actually, in reality, this video will also apply to Mavic 1 and Mavic 2 owners. So first of all, if you've never heard of an SRT file, I'll give you a little bit of information about what it is. It is a subtitle file, and starting with the Mavic 1, there was an option where DJI would allow you to create a subtitle file along with all your video files. And this file is actually very useful. It shows you longitude, latitude, exposure levels, all sorts of information. And it shows it on a frame-by-frame basis as the video is playing. You need an app that will support subtitles. And the app that I use is VLC, which is a free app. I'll put a link in this video on where you can get that. And unfortunately, with the Mavic 3, kind of like the documentation that they include with it, when the subtitle comes up, it's in micro font. So I don't know what it is with DJI developers. They must have really good eyes because it's basically unreadable because it's so small. So what I'm going to show you is an easy way to edit that file, to make the font larger, and then also to do things like, add your own copyright information into it and all that. And this can be useful if you want to send a sample video to somebody. VLC will allow you to create a .mp4 file with all of that information on the video. So you can think of it kind of like a watermark, but you can have copyright information or whatever else you want to have in it, along with longitude, latitude information, and things like that. I will say one thing nice with the Mavic 3 is DJI actually learned how to spell longitude. Under Mavic 2, all of the SRT files had longitude spelled incorrectly. So in order to not make you look like an idiot if you show this to a customer, you'd have to manually go in and edit the SRT files to correctly spell longitude properly. But it's good that the Mavic 3 developers fixed that error. I notified DJI early on with Mavic 2 about this issue, but they never felt it was worthwhile to fix. So it's been in the Mavic 2 SRT files ever since the beginning. So anyway, let's get to editing the SRT files. Okay, so what I have done is I have moved a .movie and .srt file into a folder on my Mac. And first let's take a look at what it looks like with not being edited at all. So I'm going to click on Movie. I'm going to say Open With, and I'm going to say VLC. And there is the video playing, and the subtitle information is at the bottom, as you can see, and it's extremely small font, barely readable. So now let's go and edit that SRT file to make it actually readable. So I'm going to right click on the SRT file, and I'm going to open it with Text Edit, the Text Edit app on the Mac, and you could use Notepad on Windows. So here is the SRT. It's just a text file. It's actually, each line is an XML line, which you don't need to worry about what that means. So I'm going to replace where it says font size equals 28. And we're going to make the font a little bigger. I'm going to triple the size and take it up to 84. So I'm going to say replace font size equals 28 to font size equals 84. Go over and hit replace all, and now we've got font size 84. Go ahead and save the file. And now let's take a look and see what the movie file looks like
Open it with VLC, and much more readable. So you can see that we've got the ISO information, shutter, frame number, or F number, f-stop, EV value, focal length, what our altitude is, longitude, and latitude, as long as the relative elevation and the absolute. It's just an FYI, the elevations are given in meters, and even if you select imperial, DJI ignores that and still writes it in meters. So now let's go ahead and add some additional information, for example, a copyright. So again, we'll open it with text edit, and I am going to substitute the closing font XML string, and I'm going to add a copyright message. So we'll go into find and replace. Replace it with, put it in brackets like all the other messages, copyright 2021 Mile High Drone Services. And we'll do a replace all. And so that has been changed. Now let's go take a look at the movie file with this modified SRT subtitle. In reality, when I do this on my Mac, I actually open up a terminal window and I use awk and vi to edit the files, but a lot of people don't know what awk and vi are. So as you can now see, we've got the copyright information at the bottom. So we could then use VLC to create a brand new movie file or MP4 file, and if we want to send this to a customer or whatever, all that information is embedded into the file. So anyway, that's it. I hope you found it interesting and useful. It's nice that DJI actually spelled longitude properly on the Mavic 3. And for the Mavic 2, they forgot the I think. But anyway, that's it. So thanks again. Be sure and subscribe if you think these videos are useful, and give us a thumbs up.